The road leading to the beach is like a beach. Nature moves through it. Like the beach, every day the road is different. Fascinated with these wood posts that line the road, these guardrails. They line the road and define the parking areas. And I like how, even though they're chemically treated to keep nature out, they keep looking like they're returning to nature, going back to nature. I think that's true for people too. I think we too are going back to nature. But I come back to these wooden guardrails and how they are like us, like me, chemicalized by society and culture to remain separate from the living world. And yet, look, the living world comes to inhabit the guardrails, and there's no resistance to the beauty that emerges. It's the same with us. Our heart is the marrow of the totality and can't be kept away from anything, for it is everything. We only have to see it and let it be seen.